Yo, hello. I hope my sound and everything is right. Let me check something for a bit. So, you know me, I'm always late, last minute stuff. I just ended the call and jumped here for the stream to be on time. Man, this is a special episode. Like, I don't know about you guys. I've been dealing with programmers, coders for decades. And it was always a flaw in my life, learn how to code. But it's time consuming. It's so, you have to sit behind your laptop, code for 24 hours straight. And when you just mix one character by mistake, the whole code is fucked. So it wasn't for me because it was hard. You have to be very precise. And with me, with my HDAD and all those stuff, I can't even pronounce it right. It was super hard for me to code. But with these new AI breakthroughs, man, it's crazy. I'm sure I have sent you guys the list of tools that we're going to use. The main one that is needed right now is to have an account on Vercel and have an account on Cursor. So these are the two important ones. The rest I'm going to tell you guys how to do it in the stream. It's going to take only 10 minutes straight, nothing more than that. And the code you're going to see, it's going to be from scratch. You can change everything because it's not a fixed template. You can change anything, colors, font, move the button around, change the game into an e-commerce website, tons of stuff. Like there is no, how do you say it, no limit in terms of possibilities that you can build with this stuff. And a huge shout out to Base Team, especially Soy. Like, she is the best mentor when it comes to MiniApp. The first time I saw her video, the video was 17 minutes that she built the first MiniApp. That 17 minutes took me around 10 days to understand how to do it because it's kind of super hard to start coding with zero coding knowledge. It took me so much time to just realize how the commands in the terminal window works. And one important fact, I only know how to use this on Mac. So hopefully it's kind of the same on the Windows as well. But I only tried it with Mac because I'm a Mac user forever. I never tried it on Windows. So like, let me cut the story short. I'm going to do it first in 10 minutes. Then I'm going to redo it to another one so you guys can see how it's done. I'm going to share the link of the app when it's live. So anybody that wants to check it, so you guys can see it's deployed. I think we're good to go. Let me see. Let me come to my desktop. Which one was it? Is it this one? Is me. Okay, we have desktop here. We have the terminal window open. Let me refresh this one. Edit countdown. Guys, this may be kind of fast for you, but I'm going to review and redo it again. This is for the fact that I promise I'm going to do it under 10 minutes. So let's get on with it. 10 minutes. It's super easy. You open your terminal window, and the first thing you should do, you should go to search for Base Mini Kit. You come to the home page, grab the code here, come to your terminal window, paste it here. It's going to run the base minikit. This is the main part. You're going to choose a name for your project. I'm going to say test stream. It will start creating the project for you. Everything's super easy, nothing special about it. Just go forward. When it's run, you're going to go for, at first you should go to the directory of the project, test stream. When you're in, you're going to install your npm here. While it's installing that, what you need to do is to open Cursor. Cursor is our editor. That's the whole power of AI. It's that. Oh, I put this white window here so I can put your comments. If I see anything, like I can move it here, put it here, because it's white. It's going to be Titan saying, let's go. Let's go. Okay, sorry. I'm on a time limit here. I forgot. So what we're going to do, we wait for this one to finish. It's building. It's building. Until it finishes, then we have to go for the opening up the editor here. This is the command. I'm going to share these commands with you later on so you know how it's done. This is the cursor window open in the name of the project, which is test stream. After that, what we're going to do is we're going to install Versa. That's the important part. That's what we use for not having any code needed. Test stream, test stream. Okay, npm iversal. Now it's going to install Versal. While it's installing Versal, what I want to do, this is what I learned from Sohail. You come here, my eyes can't see it here. In the app section, you come to page.tsx. You add this to your cursor chat, it will pop up here. You will open up a new file on the main thing. You open it. You open a new file. You name it plan.md. You will add the plan.md here as well. Plan.md. This is it. We select it. Okay, these two are added. Now you need a super simple prompt for that. But before we get here, okay, this one is installed. We install Versa. Now we're going to deploy it to Versa. This is the prompt needed to be deployed on Versa. As mentioned, I'm going to give you guys all the prompts needed for this. So don't stress out. These are just straightforward. I'm not going to change anything. Everything is super streamlined. And it's going to go for that. While Versal is deploying, what I'm going to do here is, okay, this is the tricky part. Because what you're building is a mini app built on forecaster and base. So what you need to do is you need to extract your forecaster recovery phrase. Don't go for the recovery key. Go for recovery phrase. This is super important. You will extract all your recovery phrases and import it into a new MetaMask so you have it over there so you can sign all the transactions needed. This one is still building. What we need to do that for until this one is building, we come here. We go get started, because this is the part that we need to do the manifest. For the manifest to run, we come here, we go to quick start, and then we come to, where was it? Manifest, creating a manifest. You click on this one, the page comes up, you copy the command here, come back to your terminal. It's still building, we're waiting. Come on, I have 5 minutes only. Build that shit. Wait. And as mentioned, I have a nice surprise about the game as well. So after the mini apps, we're going to go for the game. That's where the money comes in. I think it's going to be a cool game. I checked them out. The game is kind of cool. And since they have like hundreds of millions of dollars traded, this time it's going to be good too. It's built. Now this is the command that we're going to need for the running the manifest. I don't have my MetaMask that I mentioned here, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to open this one, paste it here, run it, connect wallet. As I mentioned, it's in my MetaMask. There we go. Okay, what we're going to do here, the link that this one needs, I'm going to pick this one from here. Okay, we open this one. I'm gonna put the same link on the Chrome browser here and sign. Okay, this is how we sign it. So everything becomes connected. We use the base minikit. It's loading. Now what we do is that this one is done. We come back to our cursor panel. What we say here, it's a very super simple prompt that we need just to tell the AI what we need. Because when you separate this, it will help the cursor AI to understand the project much better. So it will start running down for itself. Okay, it's running. Okay, guys, now what I want to do until this is doing, write some simple games in the comments so I can pick one and try it out. I'm not going to do one, I'm going to do more, but for the first one, write some name of the simple games, retro games. Don't go for anything 3D stuff. This is just a base code just for you to see how it works. So just name some games in the comments. I can go for a simple shooting game or something like that, but if you guys have any other suggestions, I can do those as well. This one, okay, I accept it. Go. What's a Go game, Frosty? XO game. Let me see if I can. I've never tried that. Let me see. Create a simple XO game for me with wallet connection. This is super simple and change base minikit assets to show the game. Okay, you see, it starts. First, it will try to understand what I asked it for. It will think, and then it will start to code. Still thinking. Come on, I have 2 minutes. I didn't put that where I was supposed to use XO. This was the comment I picked just to put it here so you know what happened. This one is it's doing this thing. It's still building. If you see it, the AI is still thinking and working his shit out. Come on. This is slow. Wait, okay, accept. Uh-huh. Okay. Building, building, building. Accept. Looks like XO isn't that easy, but I still have time. We're gonna make it. Accept. Again, accept. Build, build, build. Wait. Mario game. Mario isn't. It's doable, but it will take more time. Even this exotic game wasn't that easy for it. It's updating the environment in the code. It's building something. Ah, come on. Accept. Run. Okay. Let's see. The moment of truth. Tic tac toe. Got it. But first, let me connect my wallet. This is how you get connected. Game uploaded. My wallet is connected. Oh, somebody else has to connect. I can't play with myself. Let me build it and share the link, or let me do something else so I can play it alone. Because that way, if I want you to invite, I have to give you permissions to my wallet, which I can. So let me change the game into something else for a second. But it's done. Like right before 10 minutes were up. But let me build something else and share the link. what I do, like this is the whole thing. You saw me. I didn't even code any shit. Now let me change it to something like change the XO game into a simple shooting game that player has to click on circles to get points and name it Nabu Shooter. Okay, what I asked from the cursor to do this time was that to change the game into a simple shooting game that the player has to click on the circles that it's got. First of all, again, as I mentioned in the video, it's the base thing, but when you can build the base in 10 minutes, you can build the whole shit in no time. And the link is live. I'm going to share the link and I'm going to tweet it out so all those bozos can try it out. Wait a second, Bill is still trying out, going for it. Okay. Let me see how long this will take. Wait. Uh-huh. Edit countdown. Save. Again, we go with the countdown. Let me put a new comment. Other comment. NGL, it was too easy. Come on, I'm making it too easy. It took me so much time to learn how to do these stuff. And I'm going to tell you guys, because the difference with me and the people that they were doing it, all of them were experienced coders, super established ones. I was the only one with no code experience. So I had to learn it the hard way, but I'm going to teach you guys the easy way. Because when I share the prompts with you, or exactly what to copy paste in your terminal, you will get the whole data, you will get to this step, and when you're at this step, you just have to write for the AI what you need to, and Cursor will do it. And the problem with Cursor alone is that it sometimes ran into bugs, but with this Plan MD, it will make it so much easier for the AI to map out the whole process and making it easier. Okay, still running the code. Let me put it in the middle. It's uploading the environments. When you get into the environments, that's the last part that it has to change. So we're going to see the game in a minute. Okay, custom icons. Let's make the custom icons too. Guys, don't blow his cover. Just say you did it in 5 minutes. Fuck you. That was done in 10 minutes. 1 second. Let's go out. Done. Open it up. Start game, got it. We're gonna ask so this is what many times will happen. Nabu shooter is up. You come here. If anything happens that your code is not running, just come here, copy the shit, come back to your cursor, put it in here. I'm getting errors and my game is not starting. When you get to the build that you see it's working and it's cool, just deploy it to Vercel. The cool part about Vercel is that you have to don't have to pay anything, and you can even choose a domain for it. Let me see. What level of game can you build with this? Let me put your comment up here. The ones that I tried, I wasn't using it too much for gaming. I was using it to build the backend for Navulines. But the game that I built for MoonPay, the art contest, that was again a pixelated game. I haven't tried going anything further than pixelated games. But therefore, you guys can try and push it to the max and see how it will get out of it. But I don't think Cursor can handle more code rather than simple pixel ones. So we should see how that one goes. Come back, accept. Try it like this. It's exactly like Midjourney. You use the same prompt 2 times in a row, you're going to get different results. So even when you use it, unless it's a super detailed prompt, you're going to get different results after each prompt that you're using. The same thing happens here as well. If you check here, it says a small thing over here. You can choose which one of the AI models that it has to work. I put it on, oh, that's the thing, it's taking too much. 3.7 Sonnet Cloud Pro Max. It's like the highest end LLM that it has, but it will take more time to build, as you see, because it will go too much in the details. For the next one, I will change it. Okay, accept. Let me modify. Then accept. Run. Let's see what it has built this time. Going for it. Build up. Okay, got it. Connect. Now we should quickly start the play. Today is not gonna be a good day for me. This shit is not working right. We come here, we put it on auto. Let me put this one here. But Brian is saying, dude, if you want to make an Excel game without manual help, about 3 hours, it's impossible for somebody like me that has no coding experience to even bring up a simple homepage. I don't know about you guys. I didn't know how to run a server. I didn't know how to change DNS. I didn't know any of these stuff, and it's all happening with the these new stuff that it's there. And plus, don't forget, how do you want to do it in such short amount of time? Even the kit to connect your wallet, if you want to do it manually without these kits, it's undoable. Even for a very experienced programmer, it's a no-brainer that you should use this stuff. Okay, let me close this one. This is how we do it. npm run dev. Come on up. Got it. Connect wallet. This one is not playing nice with me. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do something else for you guys. I will come here. Come to this one. Ask the game why it's not starting. Come here to console. See, this one is a stranger. Dun, dun, dun. We'll copy it. Come back to cursor. Ask it to do this. See if it can. This is the part that you get stuck, that everybody was saying. When you get into a bug, it's going to take more time, but at the end of the day, it will figure it out what's wrong with it. Let me check the code. 1 second. Okay, accept. Definitely it's useful, bro. Black Magic, the base that it, like, this is the most useful tool that I have ever seen that you can code with. Nothing comes closer to this one. Let me cancel it and run it again. npm run dev. Okay, we come here. It is easy peasy, but sometimes when you run into bugs, it's going to be so much time consuming. You see, it's changing some stuff here, but it's working. And I still have 1 minute left. You see, the scores are coming in. Now I'm going to share the link so you guys can try it as well. 1 second. So this is running on my local server. When I want to go live with it, this is what I do. I come back to server. I stop it, I run m versal prod. So if it doesn't run into any major bugs, I can go live now. Dun-dun-dun. Let me build it. That is building. What can I think I can tweet it out. Let me open a window here. So when it's ready, I can tweet it. Come here. Aha. Okay. Post. Now open cursor. This one goes down. Post. Now I come to cursor. It's building. Let's wait for the build to finish, and then I'm going to share you guys the link. You can try it out. That the XO game messed up the whole shit. The good thing is I'm going to try something else. I learned something new that XO is going to be harder. Okay, game is built. I can share the link. I'm going to share the easier link. Let me put it up. This is the link. Come here. Try it out. Simple shooting reflex game with wallet connectivity. And this is the link. Post it. You can try it out. Okay. This is it. Oh, so now let me give you some data about it, because this shit can be anything. Like, let me try something else. Because I see many people on IG, they were asking, how can you do it? Like, not only for games. For example, let me push this one so the screen is bigger. Okay, you come here, clear everything, and make it and create a simple e-commerce website named the House of Nabu with products and prices and banner. Okay. I'm running out of words. This is the same thing, the same stuff that you're gonna see with when you use with Midjourney. This is the point. For example, you open up Midjourney, you write, "I want an apple." It will give you a very beautiful apple. Where comes the hard part? It's when you want to say, okay, I want this apple in a surreal background and a worm coming out of the quarter top right side of it. So the point that I'm making is when you want to go into details with AI, that's the hard part. That's the part. That's the part. Let me try it out. This one is ready. npm run dev. Oh, that link that is out, I changed it. Sorry, I forgot to change another link. I changed that link that I tweeted. Okay, this is a e-commerce website, for example. It was built in less than 1 minute. You can change everything in it. If you click, I think if you click on that link, you're gonna see this one. Let me try it, that one link out. Let's see how is that one. 1 second. The game is up. This is local, so I can try it out easy. 1 second. Yes, game is working pretty fine. Yes, you're getting scores. Game over, click it again. 91 high score. Nice high. Maybe I'll get some prizes for the high score. So if you tweeted it out with your score, I'm going to pick one as well. But this is the fact that I wanted to tell you guys about. You see, now I changed it. This is local. As soon as I run one command, the easy command of Versal, deploying it, it's going to be super easy because it's going to change. Again, this might become, if I see any good comments, okay, that was comments. So this is how it is. Now, let me, for example, I want to change the looks of it. I come here to the cursor again, say I want template theme of the website to be black and white and neon green with retro pixelated design. Oh, I don't get. I switched to Farsi. I changed the looks of it, so you're gonna see how it works. Since it's JS, you're gonna see the code changing right here live. Let's see how it does it. It's still going. You see? If I deploy this one, it's gonna anybody that clicks on the link are gonna see the new design of the featured items. And let me try something. Oh, even the cart is working. You see, I'm adding these. I click on the cart part. It's let me if I can show it to you guys. How can I show it? Yes. 1 second. Uh-huh. If you see, items are getting added to the cart. So the cart is working. 5, 6, and it's showing the amount in dollars as well. Then you can edit all of these stuff to your needs. Say the cart should be like this. I want admin panel. I want the admin panel to show number of new users, how much they have bought. You can add all of these. The hard part is at each step, you're going to get bugs. That's the hard part. You should debug everything, play around with it, and you don't need to pay anything. It's free for the MVP. The hard part is like this is the breakthrough for me. I come up with so many different ideas that all of them are online. But if I want to try them out and see how people want to react to it, what's the feedback? Do they even like the idea or not? You have to pay a lot to a programmer to develop that for you. This way, you can do it free in no time, ready to use, dope MVP, just tweet it out and see what people think. So this is like next level shit. You can try anything out. For sure, this is not gonna be compared to a very high level of programmer and developer, but it's a dope thing for us normal people that don't know how to code. We can code super easy, done in less than 10 minutes. Then you can build up on it. So all the tools that I use, Cursor, you can try it for free. MiniKit is free. Versal is free. And Upstash for the server is free. All of them you can try them for free. If you're getting traffic, you have to pay. Traffic means your business is growing, so you should pay. So that's the point. The term that I use in my IG reel to say bye-bye to programmers, that's only a hook. This was made by programmers. So we have a long way to say bye-bye to them. But what I was referring to was those people, anybody that has a laptop emoji on their bio, on the IG especially, and they have only downloaded one template for WordPress, and they have written developer or programmer on their bio, they are gay. Brother, let me tell you, they are gay. Real programmers don't do that. Because they will get shitted on. So this is working. Everything is cool. I'm going to do the Farsi version afterwards. But now, let's go for the game. Let me first give you an intro. What's it going to be? Okay. I told you, this show has a sponsor. First of all, it didn't even need a sponsor because I told you about Z Games, I think about a month ago. The reason was they caught my eye was a Z Game. Let me bring up the website. Z Games was a super famous game back in 2021, and they were killing it. Everything was super cool. It was the thing. It's a strategic game, but built in a different way. Which one should I log in with? Let me log in with this one. It's built in a different way. You have to breed horses. That's super different. And since they are going live, they haven't gone live yet. Each person that comes in will get 200,000 Zs for free to start. Now I have only 52 left because I have 3 horses. They are in the game. I can breed them. Then they're gonna have a score book on it. People can bet on your horse. It's kind of cool. I like it. It's so different. I never seen anything similar to this one. And you can name your horses. You can build your stable. You can breed your horses. Let me go come to this side. Like this is my horses. This is where you come. I'm going to tell you, this is not an easy game. That's why I love it, because you have to come up with strategies on how to maximize your winning horse. So the more your horse wins, and you don't have to do anything. It's a strategic game. So you just have to know which horses to breed, how to breed them. This is a learning curve. I'm trying to learn as well. But the good thing is, now that the Z team has sponsored the show, I'm going to get first-hand alpha, and I'm going to do giveaways for sure, because they have these badges, and the badges are liquid. Liquid means that you can sell them if you win. But maybe if I was you, if I win a badge, maybe I won't sell it. The reason is that the game is just starting. They are airdropping these badges only to the holders that they were playing in 2021, so it's kind of exclusive. And these people that they were playing on a game that had millions or hundreds of millions of dollars in transactions, it's sticky. It means that people love to play it, and they're going to come back and play it more. So I want to play as well. And I'm going to stream playing it, because this is the thing that I think our community can do well. Because you know me, I think you guys are super smart and you guys can learn fast. So this is something that we can like jump in, dive deep, and we can share it in our group. Like which horse is breeding better, which horse is winning better. We can change stuff. We can share alpha about the game, because I'm telling you, even if this game goes live on base, it's on base, and even if it gets traction 1/10 of the traction it got back in 2021, it's going to have very nice numbers. And the team behind it is super based. They have money, they have the tech, they have the dope people around them. So this is something I'm going to take it more serious. You know me, I never like push people to do anything unless it's free and unless it will have gains. This is free right now, and it has a high chance of winning right now because you don't have to pay anything. So it's kind of risk free. It's not an easy game, but it's worth the try because you don't have to pay. So I'm kind of super bullish on it. I'm gonna deep dive more in it, share my horses, share the stats, how I'm going forward, how much my horses are making. Because I show you, if you check here, now my balance is 52,000 Z, and this is equivalent to money. After we go live, you can change it. The badges that you win, definitely it's liquid. You can change it to money right away. So this is how I'm gonna pick the winners. I'm gonna give away badges. I'm not gonna say how many, because I want to push the team to give more. The numbers they gave was too low. I want to push them to give more badges. The reason they don't want to give out more, too many badges is that there's a chance that you can win very high amount. Like it's not 100, 200. The caps is very high. There's a chance you're going to win thousands of dollars. So they are not very happy to give out too many. But this is how I'm going to do it. At least you guys know when I say something, I do it and I deliver. So I'm going to share the link to the game so you guys don't go to scammy ones. Go to the game. It's free. You have 200,000 Zs to start with. You can choose your horse and tweet out your horse. Tag me, tag Z. I'm going to retweet them. And then I'm going to ask the Z team to choose the good ones. So this is how at least I know who are into the game, because I love to see other people's playing with me, playing against me, and see how this goes forward. And I love to see our community winning out of this one. So there's going to be more alpha shared. I'm going to do it in Farsi as well and share it in the Telegram group. But for now, since I'm a noob, I'm a super noob, I just have 3 horses here in my breeding pool. These are the horses that you cannot race with. Let me make my screen bigger. 1 second, me alone, desktop. These are the horses that I can breed with. These won't race. And these are my racing horses. So each one of them, when you come on them, it's in the racing pool. Every day, if I'm not mistaken, each horse races 2 times. It has done 3 races. This is the balance it has. There are lots of data that can be shared on this. So I'm going to give it some time, play around with it. You guys play around with it. Anybody that found an alpha, tweet it out. If not, just tweet of your horses is cool. Pick a cool name for your horses, for your stable. I named mine House of Nabu 2 because I tested one and I fucked all the Z. So I started another. My English is running out. So I started another one. I'm currently sitting at 60,000 Z. I'm going to breed more and I'm going to race more and I'm going to share it more with you guys and see who's going to win more. Too much more in one sentence. But just to wrap it up and say what happened, we tried out the mini kit with the tools I mentioned. All of them were free. None of them were paid. You can try it out. And after this stream, I'm gonna come back to YouTube only and do a Farsi stream and do another app from scratch. Hopefully not an XO and not with Sonnet Pro because that takes more time. But we're gonna try it out in the YouTube as well, and I'm gonna share the alpha on the game on the YouTube as well. But if you wanna get into the raffle and win the badges, go to Z Games, pick your horse, tweet it out, and don't forget the tags. For now, keep safe, stay vigilant, and for the package number 4, I think if I'm not mistaken, we're gonna deep dive into AI agents. I'm gonna share the link soon so you guys know how to do it. And see you in the YouTube channel. Keep safe and bye-bye. Let me close this. Finish.